is an essential part of every person's everyday life. We've got endless varieties of tea that differs from regional variation to cultural differences, etc., etc. And people don't mind spending money on their choice of tea, trying to find the best possible option for them. And I thought, why not to make tea from using most natural ingredients from around us, and this tea is not only tasty but it has endless health benefits. Hey guys, it's me Tanya, and in this episode of Cooking Hibiscus Tea for all of you.